madam. I am Irish Filasol. I am 23 years old. Um, I am 5'2" in height. I am a college graduate in a degree of Bachelor of Science in Tourism, major in HRM. I am married and blessed with a 2-year-old daughter.
Tell me about your working experience.
I had my 6-month training in Singapore as a service clerk, and after I graduated college, I lived in with my auntie's house for 2 years as a domestic helper.
What are your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper?
My duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper is to manage all the household chores, washing and ironing clothes, and taking care of babies.
Do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
I know how to take care of a newborn baby by feeding them milk every 3 to 4 hours, burp the baby every after feeding, change diaper, send the baby to sleep by singing lullaby, give vitamins, take their body temperature, and cleaning their feeding bottles.
What will you do if your employer's baby crying for a long time?
I will check if the diaper is wet, or I will check if he or she is hungry. But if still crying, then I will inform my employer that their baby is crying for a long time already.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly or an aged person?
Yes, sir, madam. I am willing to take care of an elderly person, even a bedridden. Since I have my grandparents, so I will take care of the elder, like my grandparents, by helping them with their needs, like taking their foods and medicine.
How would you handle a naughty children?
I would be very friendly and playful with them, so I could get their attention. So I can take care of the naughty children by playing with them, sing a song together with them, teaching them ABCD, by giving read and write, teaching them read and write, by giving the love and care, teaching them good manners and right conduct.
Do you know how to cook?
I know how to cook Filipino foods very well, like tinola, sinigang, adobo, and many others. I also know how to cook simple Chinese dishes like steamed fish, fried vegetables, fried rice, noodles, and soup. I am also willing to learn more.
Can you operate an electrical appliances?
Yes, madam. I know how to operate electric appliances like washing machine, vacuum cleaner, floor polisher, oven toaster, microwave, and others.
Most of the employer in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, madam. I am very much willing to learn Cantonese so that I could fully understand them, especially the elderly.
Your duties in Hong Kong will be doing all the household chores and at the same time taking care of the children. So how could you handle this situation?
I will make sure that the employer's children are in safe place by putting the baby into the crib or by giving them toys to play. Then I will continue doing my work.
In case you found something like money inside the pocket while washing your employer's clothes, or you found jewelry while cleaning the house, what will you do?
I will honestly give it back to my employer.
What if during your day off, then your employer asked you not to take their day off because they have visitors? What will you do?
I will not take my day off and serve my employers together with their visitors.
How will you win the trust of your employer?
I can win the trust of my employer by doing my best to work hard and by being honest and dedicated to my work and give importance to their things and properties.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of higher salary given to the domestic helper. In this way, I can help my family to provide their needs.
What would you like to say to something to your prospective employer?
Sir, madam, if you will give me an opportunity to work as your domestic helper, I promise that I will work very hard, be obedient, and trustworthy, and I promise to finish my 2-year contract without causing any problem. Thank you and God bless.